Hello guys, welcome to another video, and we're reviewing another LEGO set, which is the Green Lantern vs. Sinestro set from the DC Comics Superheroes line. And you're nuts. And we're gonna review the minifigures first. Here's Green Lantern, the title character. He used to be available on a San Diego Comic-Con. Now I got him. This came out in 2015, if I remember, in January. This is supposed to represent his ring. I just gave it to him. There it is. He has a double-sided face, a happy face, and a serious face. And here's Space Batman, cool detailing on his wings, jetpack. And you could also, he has this type of wing. You could take that other one off. Let it get a closer look. Then focus. Could do this. And last but not least is Sinestro. Is this from the Ninjago series? It has a double bird face, an angry face, and a serious face. The villain of this set. You go to the staff. And here's his super jumper, which of course can do this. Also, this is a feature for there's Green Lantern's thing in there. The charger ring, I think. When you're supposed to put Batman on a super jumper and then hit that, and then out comes that. Get a closer look at this. It looks really cool. And here's the vehicle of this set, which is Green Lantern's jet, the Green Lantern jet. Space jet, I should say. And you can push this and then summertime, baby. Also these stud shooters. You could also adjust these. Oh, you're supposed to do this is to shoot the missiles. It's like a magic trick to me. But it's not magic. The Green Lantern logo symbol right there. So I think that's pretty much all done with this set. Talk to you later. Bye.